Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a thought-provoking book by Yuval Noah Harari, a name many of you might recognize from his previous bestsellers like Sapiens and Homo Deus. The book we're reviewing today is Nexus. Nexus is the third installment in Harari's sweeping exploration of human history, present, and future. This book continues Harari's signature style of weaving together complex ideas in philosophy, science, politics, and technology into a narrative that is both engaging and intellectually stimulating. What's fascinating about Nexus is how it connects the dots between various aspects of human society, our politics, religions, cultures, and technologies, and asks one fundamental question: where are we headed as a species? The term nexuses refers to connections, and that's exactly what Harari emphasizes here. He explores how everything from artificial intelligence to biotechnology is intertwined with global power dynamics and our personal identities. One of the book's strongest points is how Harari blends storytelling with data and historical analysis. He discusses current issues like the rise of nationalism, climate change, and the ethical dilemmas we face with emerging technologies like AI. It's a wake-up call for those of us living in the 21st century, but also a call to action. Harari's message is clear: we cannot separate ourselves from the world we are shaping. As we become more interconnected, we also become more responsible for the future we are creating. But while the book is dense with information and ideas, Harari's writing style makes it accessible. He asks tough questions, like whether humanity is ready for the radical transformations ahead, and whether our systems, political, economic, and even educational, are prepared for the changes that are coming. In Nexus, Harari challenges the reader to think critically about the systems we live in and how they can adapt or fail under the pressures of global changes. Are we ready for an age where AI knows us better than we know ourselves, where data becomes the most valuable commodity? Now, let's talk about some critiques. While Nexus is undeniably insightful, some readers may find the sheer volume of ideas overwhelming. Harari tends to jump between topics, which, while fascinating, can sometimes feel disjointed. It's a book that requires deep engagement, but the reward is well worth the effort. In summary, Nexus is an essential read for anyone interested in the crossroads where humanity finds itself today. It's not just a book about technology or politics, it's a book about the human condition and the choices we'll have to make in the near future. Whether you're a fan of Harari's previous works or someone curious about the future of humanity, Nexus offers insights that will stay with you long after you've finished reading. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more book reviews and in-depth discussions on the most impactful reads of our time. Until next time, happy reading.